Okay, so here we are. Heather found this property and we've got some hardwood floors looking a little grimy. This is your main living space. We're in central Wilmington. 3 bed, 2 bath. This is your first bathroom here. So seller has done some sort of random updates. Then we move over to the back 2 bedrooms, nice size, but just needing some new windows, fresh coat of paint. We've got a really small bathroom here, so I'm not quite sure. Look at this little mini sink, that's so cute. Not quite sure what will be done there because behind this wall is a water heater. And then over here, you've got the front bedroom, a little bit smaller than the other 2. And kitchen, so owner has put down kind of a different floor in here. Just a galley style kitchen area leading into a den with those original pine walls from the 50s. There's a lot that you can do with this space, starting by unfortunately painting the pine. And then outside you've got sort of a carport area and then a enclosed workshop through that door that you see there. So there she is. Okay, so we're gonna give you guys updates. Here's Heather.
Hey, drop the key.
We're gonna give y'all updates if this one goes through, but it seems like it could, right? Like there's
definitely potential here.
Yeah, there's homes around here that have been completely renovated, selling at what, like 300? One sold at 300. So we'll see. It could be a good one. Stay tuned. So here's the outside. Nice sized front yard. You've got a church across the street, so that's good. Neighbors here. And cute little 3-2 brick rancher, 1,400 square feet on a corner lot. Could work.